This is the Ecobee Premium. It is a Wi-Fi thermostat that can control any number of different systems, accessories. It is top of the line. So this needs to be wired to the equipment, but it has a Wi-Fi chip in it where it will connect to the local network, which you can then access via a smartphone on an app and control the system from your couch, the grocery store, the beach, anywhere you want. It's also really nice to be able to remotely monitor your system. That way, if you are out of town for a long period of time or just at work for the day, you can be alerted that there may be a problem with your heating and cooling system before you get home, and find out at that point in time. You can know ahead of time. Bust out. There's not a lot of good drywall, but this one will be good for a wall anchor. These in black and brown wires went to T terminal on the old thermostat, which just stands for temperature sensor. But this has Wi-Fi, so it doesn't need wired sensors. And these are nice because they're actually just push-in terminals. It's also a good visual indicator that the wire is in all the way. Once you get it almost tightened down, and we'll get it level. Couple nice things about these Ecobee thermostats is that they come with a remote sensor. What this does is it wirelessly communicates to the thermostat itself and tells it what temperature it's sensing. So the thermostat just has another access point, another point of measurement to say, might be 72 degrees here at the thermostat, maybe it's 74 somewhere else in the house, so the thermostat will display the average of the two sensors. It's a magnetic base, you can place this throughout the home. It'll always be communicating with it. It's got an onboard battery that lasts for a really long time. Just gives the thermostat another sensing point to have a truer average of what the temperature is throughout the home, not just here at the thermostat.